Hello, today we're at Total Wheel Solutions in Middlesbrough to see how they're getting on with their new Vixen wheel lathe.
Hi, I'm Andy. I'm the co-owner of Total Wheel Solutions Limited, based on Skippers Lane in Middlesbrough, where we do full wheel refurbishment, dipping, blasting and powder coating. Currently do a lot of work for the dealerships in the area, as well as public, a lot of body shops, anyone that walks through the door really. We've gone from strength to strength over the years, and our next investment for us was the diamond cutting lathe from Vixen, in order to keep up with the trends of the latest car market. So since the wheel lathe was our next investment, we started to look at different companies which could provide this for us. We looked at 3 or 4 companies. Vixen popped up at one of those. We went along, we had a demo with Terry, which was very interesting, very knowledgeable. And once we had the demo, Paul and myself made our minds up that the Vixen wheel lathe was the one we wanted to go for. So one of the key features on us deciding was the 2 days training that was on offer. So once the machine was delivered, we received the 2 days full training from Terry, which was absolutely spot on. Knowledge of the machine and showing the workings and everything was covered. This meant we were now ready to go. We also didn't have to turn any work away now, because before we had the wheel lathe delivered, we weren't able to do diamond cut wheels. So that made our business more appealing to the outside world of garages, body shops, because we could offer now wheels that we could do in-house. So since we've had the wheel lathe installed over at Total Wheel Solutions, it really is as easy as advertised and as easy as the training was given to us. It has been a great addition to our company, and would recommend it to anyone out there looking for a wheel lathe.
Thank you for watching. For more information on the Vixen wheel lathe, visit smartwheelrepairs.com or call us on 01642 769 333.